Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today, we're going to be doing an omelet. Let's cook. Okay, we'll be using some salami. Got some onions. Saute this down. A little bit of butter. Add some jalapeno and some garlic. Okay, so as we're doing that, we're going to get our eggs. Get that out of there. We're using 3 eggs. Add a little salt, a little pepper. Okay, we're going to add a little water. We're going to beat our eggs. Had to change our cutting board because you guys can see the eggs. Okay, so we're going to add some butter to our pan here. Time to get to the main deal. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Right. We're going to add our eggs. Down and let this go for a couple of minutes. Okay, so we're checking now. Oh yeah, we're good. Looks good. We're gonna add our salami mixture here. Just put this on one side. Now we're going to put our cheese on the other side. I'm going to let this cook for a couple more minutes. Let's cover this so the cheese comes out quicker. Okay folks, I think we're good. Let's fold this now. Okay, here we go. Our omelet, World Famous Foods. Okay folks, here we go. Let's plate this. There's our World Famous Foods omelet, folks. Enjoy.